like I can feel
Keep left on
vibration
road to
in the steering
26th
wheel.
Street Southeast. Keep left on road to 26th Street Southeast. Drive 850 meters, then turn right on 34 Avenue Southeast. In 350 meters, turn right on 34 Avenue Southeast.
This is slower speeds. It's coming into residential, so you're able to hear it on the highway, and now you can hear it
Turn right on 34 Avenue Southeast.
on the slower speeds. You know, I don't
Drive
mean
550 meters, then turn left on
Anyway.
28th Street Southeast.
good Lord. And you can really feel it even more when you're sitting in the passenger seat. It's like, good Lord. Well, right now I'm at about 55. Like, what the heck is
Turn
that?
left on 28th Street Southeast.
28th Street's the next one there. It's like vibrating things on the dashboard.
Turn left on 33 Street Southeast.
Yeah, I don't mean to cry a hard luck story or nothing. I mean, but it's like, you know, money is tight, and it's like, how do you afford these things, you know? It's like, if I can't get this fixed, I either gotta, is that my street there? Roll with it, or I gotta take the bus or ride a bike until I can afford to get it fixed, you know? So it's just like, it's like, are you serious? Makes you wonder. It seems like it's like one thing. If it's not one thing, it's another, you know? And someone's in my parking space, so that sucks. So I guess I gotta park on the street. Alright, bye for now.